was clear that it was going to be very, very difficult to have a Fort Lawton presence, whatever kind of program it was going to have any chance of addressing issues with downtown, we can ignore it, downtown urban Indian crisis issues. So in addition to the land at Fort Lawton, I think a $600,000 cash grant was eventually arrived at, which allowed, I think, the Seattle Indian, well, I guess an entity that was then created called the Seattle Indian Services Commission to acquire what was the Broderick building at the corner of 2nd and Cherry. And in that building, there was an effort to congregate a number of urban Indian kinds of, and I think the Seattle Indian Center was there for a while. As it turns out, over time, that wasn't a particularly good solution, and so it ended up that the building eventually became just an asset of the commission, and it was earning income that they were able to direct to other programs. Now, at one point or another, I was on the Seattle Indian Services Commission board, I was on the United Indians of Tribes board, and I was on the Indian Health, Seattle Indian Health Board, I think it was. And the Pearl Warren building down on about 12th and Dearborn or so now houses the Indian Health Board. And any event, it created a necessity to have a variety of different angles coming in. Now, how that all evolved 25 years later, I really don't have very many memories of how they were. But I think it's fair to say it was a multi-layered attack where most of the Indian local leadership appreciated the strength of what the Fort Lawton confrontation did for us to address a lot of problems.